review the violation report?
I did, Your Honor,
All right.
and I've conferred with the state.
All right. So what do you all propose? Because here's this violation report for use. So you're not under oath. How often are you using?
I just turned 60.
Oh, well, happy birthday. How often are you using?
I'm done.
Well, no, you're still not answering my question. How often are you using?
Maybe every other week or
All right. So here's the thing. You know if it's every other week. Do I need to review the violation report?
I did, Your Honor,
All right.
and I've conferred with the state.
All right. So what do you all propose? Because here's this violation report for use. So you're not under oath. How often are you using?
I just turned 60.
Oh, well, happy birthday. How often are you using?
I'm done.
Well, no, you're still not answering my question. How often are you using?
Maybe every other week or
All right. So here's the thing. You know if it's every other week. Do I need to have you leave here and go do a drug test? I'll have you do a drug test today.
I came out negative the first time. I did come out positive.
No,
And
you're
then-
not listening to me.
Yes, ma'am.
I will have you go and do a UA now. So I understand it's your 60th birthday. Happy birthday.
Oh,
But
no,
my
that's
question
fine.
is, are you going to be positive today?
No.
All right. So I'm going to have you go do a UA. Is this going to be a waste of a UA? All right. So what are you going to be positive for?
Um,
All right. So again, we're back to my question. How often are you using?
Hey, you're like once a week.
No, it's not once a week because who would use cocaine? Cocaine only stays in your system for a specific amount of time. Who would use cocaine knowing they're coming to court today?
I don't do it every day. I don't do it every day.
Okay, it's not once a week either. I don't believe it's once a week. We go from, I don't do that anymore because I'm 60. Then we go to, it's every other week. And then it's like, I don't do that anymore. Then it's, yeah, I'm gonna be clean. Then I'm like, am I gonna waste the UA on you? Yeah, it's gonna be wasted. Now it's cocaine. So how often are you using? I'm trying to give you conditions of bond so that you can stay on bond. When they send me these reports with violation reports, I can always choose the option to issue a judge's warrant and remand you without bond.
Okay.
So I am trying to figure out what can be done to help you get your life in order. So how often are you using? Just be honest. This time now is for honesty.
Maybe once or twice a week. Because I went, the first time I know I came out positive. And then he said, before I go, the pretrial, he said, if you come out clean 4 weeks in a row, and then you will be changed to monthly. So I went the following week and I did come out negative. So I'm due again for another UA this Thursday, which I'm gonna be negative.
So you're just timing your use. That's what it
Yeah.
sounds like to me. All right, this is what the court is going to do. There is going to be a referral to lifetime recovery. Do you have any children that live at home with you?
He's 23, 22.
You got to make a good example for your 23-year-old. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So there's going to be a referral to lifetime recovery. And I'm going to want 120 sober meetings in 120 days. And there's going to be a random UAs, and I'll waive fees. And you are to report to pretrial services today. By 11:30 a.m. Is there anything else, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so here's the thing. You're on bond for a drug case. It appears that you're still using. You've got to stop because otherwise your body could be the body that your son will have to identify in a field somewhere. If you have issues where you see you continuing to use, just come to court so we can save all our time here and get you into a place that can help you maintain your sobriety. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. And thank you for dressing appropriately for.
Thank you.
All right, thanks.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, court is calling. Hello.
Hi.
Court is calling 2024 CR 010681 State versus Sandra Gaitan. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Ashley Morgan.
And are you Sandra Gaitan?
Yes, I am.
Is it Gaitan or Gaitan?
Thank you.
Gaitan.
Oh, you saying it right.
Oh, okay, thank you.
That first time.
Oh, thanks. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Probation, this is an application. Did you review the document entitled Application for Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do waive it, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with driving while intoxicated third or more? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, I did.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea.
Okay.
If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
It's not signed.
I'm sorry, Andrew.
It's not
Thank
your
you.
fault. It's my fault.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Gatan, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you
No, ma'am.
satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, we're on the record. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 3 years in the prison. State recommends community supervision, ignition interlock for half the term, 2-year driver's license suspension. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Judge. And we do have some things to go over with you when you're ready after you've done sentencing.
All right.
Yeah.
State, is that the plea?
It is, sir.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 100 hours community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? And do you understand with a DWI third conviction, there is a 10-day jail sanction as a condition of probation? Did you understand that?
Yes.
All right, then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no
No
contest?
contest.
State any evidence.
No objection, Judge.
Oh, just one moment. Excuse me. Jenna, I'm sorry, that goes with that file that I gave to you.
Oh, okay.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? State, you may be excused. Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. Off the wall, man. Off the wall. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Judge. Ms. Gaitan has been enrolled in AA. Here's her proof of attendance. She goes every day.
Every day.
She's also completed her victim impact panel up front.
Mhm.
She's enrolled in her DWI education.
Mhm.
I'm sorry, her DWI intervention. She's currently on a portable alcohol monitoring device at 3 specimens per day.
Correct.
She does not have access to a vehicle. She has not had access to a vehicle since this incident. And so we are asking that you do consider allowing her to continue on that affidavit of non-driving and continue on the portable device. And then with regards to the 10 days in jail, we ask that you either hold it in abeyance or allow her to do it via house arrest.
Okay. All right, are you employed?
I'm looking for a job right now.
Okay.
She does care for her elderly mother and she's in school.
All right, this caring for the elderly mother, is that something where she receives payment?
Do you receive?
No.
I'm sorry,
I believe are you,
do you receive payment?
I'm looking for a helper.
but you're not being
Excuse me,
paid.
No.
stop
Yes,
with the
ma'am.
conversation.
Oh.
Do you receive payment for taking care of your mom?
Yes, I do.
All right, so that's going to stop because the court doesn't allow home health care people to be home health care providers. So you're not allowed to do that.
Okay.
So do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
What are their ages?
29, 20, 28, and 7.
7?
Yes.
And where's your 7-year-old? Does your
That's cool.
7-year-old live with you?
Yes.
All right, so you're going to have to get employment.
Okay.
Is there a reason you're not working?
Because it's difficult for me to, it's, no driving, no none of that. What I'm trying to do is do a job at home while it pays, while I stay home and pay any of the bills that I have to pay now.
All right, so
Mhm.
you're going to have to get a job. I
Okay.
require everybody in this court to have employment.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is finding you guilty. Court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 4 years. There's going to be a portable device for half the term with an affidavit of non-driving. Are there any vehicles at your home?
No, ma'am.
If you have a vehicle at your home or one that you have access to, it's going to need to have an ignition interlock. So do you have any access to any vehicles?
No, ma'am, I don't.
All right, probation, if you'll make sure that's the case. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month for 4 months. There's going to be a referral to felony drug court and a TAP evaluation out of custody. There's going to be daily sober support meetings. until further notice. Proof of employment within 45 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. So if you continue to receive payment for caring for your mother and the court finds about it, which it will, that's going to be a violation of your probation, and a motion to revoke is going to be filed. Do you understand?
I understand.
There is going to be full GPS for 10 days. Waive fees. And GPS is to be installed no later than March 21st. Is that enough time?
Yes, Judge, it's gonna go through the jail,
Yes.
yes.
So no later than March 21st by 2 p.m. There should be the victim VIP live, DWI education, $100 community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once that's completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Make sure they're checking for alcohol. Texas driver's license suspension for 2 years.
Judge, her license was suspended as a condition of the ALR. Would you consider running those concurrent? I have those dates.
Let's see how she does, and then I'll think about it.
Okay.
Probation, and there will be, is there anything else probation?
On the DWI course, did you want the education or the intervention? The education's 12 hours, the intervention's 32.
Well, the problem is her DWIs are so close in time. Usually in this court, I order both.
Okay.
All right. So DWI intervention as well. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? All right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
I understand.
All right, so I'm going to go off the record. Here's the thing. DWIs, you could have killed somebody. You could have killed somebody with a child.
Correct.
And I mean, you're saying correct, but you need to internalize it, because guess what? Maybe there's a DWI driver out there somewhere, and maybe your children are in the car and there's somebody out on the road intoxicated. Nobody, I have yet
This
to
is the
meet
moment the judge turns the legal order into a real-world warning. The sentence gives the defendant a path forward. But the judge is making the danger behind repeated DWI offenses impossible to ignore. The message is clear. Probation is an opportunity, not permission to repeat the same behavior. Do you think these conditions are enough to change the outcome next time?
I have yet to meet somebody who has a DWI, who has committed an intoxication and assault or intoxication manslaughter, who said, yeah, I picked up a drink and my goal was, I'm going to go out and kill somebody. Nobody ever think it's going to happen to them. They're just always thinking, I can handle it. Best thing, if you're going to drink at all, here's the thing. Arrange for an Uber. Now they have Ubers, Lyft, taxis, Via, or you can have somebody who is a designated driver. I was always the designated driver for my group because I don't like the taste of alcohol. Worked out great for me because I had free sodas and free lunch, but that's what you need to do. And you're one of those persons who can't drink at all. That's why you have 3 DWIs. You understand?
I understand.
All right. All right. Thank you.